There are many nutritional and medicinal properties of hemp in food. In this video, I will go over the hemp seeds and other parts of this beautiful plant. Hemp seed. More and more people are recognizing hemp seed for their excellent nutritional value. They contain many healthy fats, high-quality proteins, and various minerals. Hemp seeds can be eaten raw, cooked, or roasted, and they can be used hulled or left unhulled. And they can be pressed to hemp seed oil. The amazing thing is that even if hemp seeds are pressed, the byproduct can still be used. When pressing hemp seeds, the sort of cake that remains can be dried and then sieved to make hemp flour. When sieving even further, what is left behind is protein powder, which helps the body produce skin and muscle tissue, whether you're doing sports or not. Hemp seed has a mild nutty flavor and contains more than 30% fat. It is very rich in two essential fatty acids, namely linoleic acid, or omega-6, and alpha-linoleic acid, or omega-3. It also contains gamma-linoleic acid, which has been linked to several health benefits. Hemp seed is a very good source of protein, as more than 25% of the total calories in it come from high-quality protein. If you compare this to similar foods like chia seeds or flax seeds that provide about 16 to 18% of protein, this really is a lot. Hemp seeds are also a great source of vitamin E and minerals, such as phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, sulfur, calcium, iron, and zinc. About 25% of the calories in hemp seeds come from protein, which is a lot in relative terms. In fact, hemp seeds provide comparable amounts of protein to beef or lamb, considering the weight. As an example, 30 grams of hemp seed, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons, provide about 11 grams of protein. It is considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids. These amino acids cannot be made by our bodies and therefore must be obtained from food. Sources of complete proteins are very rare in the plant kingdom because plants often lack the amino acid lysine. Hemp seeds contain significant amounts of the amino acids methionine and cysteine, as well as high levels of arginine and glutamic acid. Another good thing is that protein from hemp is also very good to digest, better than protein from many grains, nuts, and legumes. There are many health benefits when adding hemp seeds to your daily diet. With heart disease being the main cause of death worldwide, it is interesting to know that eating hemp seed may lower the risk of heart disease in several ways. Also, our digestive system benefits from it. Whole hemp seeds contain high amounts of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which is good and in fact is essential for our digestion. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the gut. It is a valuable source of nutrients for the good digestive bacteria. However, hulled hemp seeds, or hemp hearts, contain very little fiber because the fiber-rich shell has been removed. But then they still, of course, contain all the other valuable properties, as mentioned before. Finally, hemp seeds are good for skin conditions. The fatty acids they contain can influence immune response in the body. They contain omega-3 and omega-6 in an ideal ratio of about 1 to 3, which is considered the ratio within an optimal zone. Research shows that hemp seeds can improve the blood levels of essential fatty acids in people with eczema and may therefore provide some relief. It may also help to combat dryness, relieve itching, and reduce the need to take medications for the skin. Hemp leaves, they are beautiful and very decorative, and they make an excellent tea too. Raw hemp leaves are full of polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants, and they of course contain lots of chlorophyll, a pigment that makes the leaves turn green and allows the plant to absorb sunlight and use the energy to convert water into glucose. In food, chlorophyll helps us to replenish blood cells, increase energy levels, while it's really good for cleansing your body of toxins as well. You might be surprised, but some cooks use hemp stalk as well to boil with or are used as raw material for when grilling food or on barbecue or grill. I have not tried it myself yet, but apparently it should also provide some extra fun flavor. There is one final part of the hemp plant you might not know to be used for health, and it's not used a lot. Yet hemp roots have a long documented history of being used for various medicinal purposes. It was often crushed to extract the fresh juice or boiled to make a decoction, and in this manner used in many ways, such as a diuretic and to reduce pain and swelling from bruises and scrapes. Nowadays, some patients turn to make cannabis root tea to provide relief for a range of ailments. Extracts from the roots are also used as basis for topical treatments. Some use the root in its dry, powdered form to make dry poultices that can help to soothe and heal burns, cuts, and skin complaints, such as dermatitis. Hemp roots are primarily composed of sugars and lipids, yet also contain low levels of terpenes, alkaloids, and various other compounds, among which some trace quantity of cannabinoids, in particular CBD. Hemp roots contain certain terpenes which are thought to have antioxidant, anti-cancer, and anti-tumoral effects respectively. They also contain certain alkaloids like piperidine and pyrrolidine that can be highly toxic in high doses, but in smaller doses have been found to have various medicinal benefits. So, to wrap things up, there are many different uses for hemp in food. We have hemp seeds, which can be used as whole fiber rich seeds or hulled. They can also be crushed or pressed into hemp seed oil. The remaining cake from oil extraction can be dried and turned to hemp flour or protein powder. Additionally, there are hemp flowers with medicinal compounds and the hemp leaves. I hope you enjoyed my video. Should you have any questions regarding hemp or CBD, please do not hesitate to contact me. Would you like to learn more? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to click the notifications button below. Thank you for watching and see you again soon.